Prep the wall, mastering the meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, prep the wall. This is a common expression in English, especially in contexts involving home improvement or painting. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the culture and everyday life. So, let's dive in. Prep the wall is a short form for prepare the wall. Preparation is key in many activities, and in this context, it refers to the preparatory work done before painting or applying wallpaper. This might include cleaning, smoothing, or priming the wall. It's a crucial step to ensure that the final result looks professional and lasts longer. 2.1 Prep, a common abbreviation. Prep is an abbreviation of prepare or preparation. It's a versatile term used in various scenarios like cooking, studying, or event planning. In Prep the Wall, it specifically relates to physical preparation. 2.2 The wall, the focus of action. Here, the wall is the direct object, the recipient of the action. It's important to understand that wall can be used metaphorically in other contexts, but in this phrase, it's literal. 3.1 In home improvement. In home improvement, prep the wall involves activities like sanding, cleaning, and applying a base coat. It's a term frequently used by professionals and DIY enthusiasts. 3.2 Metaphorical usage. Sometimes, prep the wall might be used metaphorically to mean getting ready for a significant task or laying the groundwork for future actions. Let's put this phrase into practice. Here are a few example sentences. 1. Before painting the bedroom, we need to prep the wall. 2. As a project manager, he always preps the wall before launching a major initiative. That's it for today's lesson on Prep the Wall. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your ability to communicate effectively in English. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and happy learning!